Did you know there are about 153 million orphans worldwide? According to Light Up Hope organization, the population of orphan children in Kenya is estimated to be 3 million in about 800 orphanages. With the death of their parents who are breadwinners, most children end up straining to access basic needs. Most of the registered 800 orphanages in Kenya depend on donors to provide the basic needs of these children. However, the orphanages shared how it was difficult for them to find donors to support them. Also, the donors have been having a hard time trying to locate the orphanages around them, especially those that are really in interior areas. That is where the SaveONE Life Android app comes in. It's an app built with Java and Google technology that helps donors to locate orphanages around them and ease in making of their donations from the comfort of their homes. Also, it makes it easier for orphanages to share their needs on the platform in order to get support from the donors. Our biggest desire is that orphan children will experience a normal life just as children who have found themselves in their families. On the orphanage registration page, orphanages can register and receive donations with ease. They fill in their personal and basic information required, and they can drag and drop to the exact location of the orphanage. On the home page, we have a tab layout with 3 screens. The first screen is the home screen, where the donor will navigate across different orphanages, where they can search the location and it will show those orphanages in the location. Or an item like clothing, and it can show the orphanages in need of clothing. And then they can open a detailed view and click the donation button and wait for a call from the orphanage. On the map view, donors will be able to navigate across all the orphanages on the map, click on one of them and get directions to the location. On the public forum screen, donors can add comments or reviews about the orphanage they are about to visit or they have visited before. And wow, it's done! Is that a new message? Make a donation and be the reason someone smiles today. Save one life.